If you have used Hilti's cordless tools in the past couple of years, you might have come across the term Nuron. Nuron is a battery platform on 22 voltage. It's built with simplicity and power in mind. Each battery is smart. They can run a self-diagnosis on the battery health just by pressing a button for 3 seconds, promptly tell you the current state of charge, and also easily share further data in the OnTrack app. For our fleet customers, Nuron batteries offer even more. Data collection through our chargers enable you to see the usage, location of last charge, and more. Every battery fits every Nuron tool in our portfolio. The smallest battery in our portfolio is the B2255, not only the smallest, but also the lightest, which makes it a perfect solution for any type of overhead work, where really the weight could be a potential trouble when working for extended period of time. Example of a tool that goes very well with such a battery, NSF, or any type of small SIDs or SIWs. Moving on, we have these two batteries, which is B2285 and B22110. And here really the choice is simple. Do you want a lighter solution or do you want more power? TE6, which goes well with both of them, but of course 110 is going to provide you with longer runtime. Or you can, for example, use it for SF6H, where the weight might be a bit of an issue, so you might go with B2285. Now, moving all the way up, our two heaviest batteries in the portfolio are currently B22195 and B22255. And these ones are meant to really power the biggest tools that you can find in our portfolio. If you look at the 195, good tool that goes well with such battery is, for example, an angle grinder or a concrete grinder, DHH 130. Now looking at the 255, you can really match it with the heaviest tools we have, longest runtime that we are currently offering. The Nuron battery innovation did not only bring a new battery solution, it also brought a lot of new features that can actually increase the safety of using our tools on a job site. There are 3 great examples of those comfort features that we can talk about today. One of them is ATC, another one is AVR, and the third one is SensTech. Now, let's start with SensTech. Imagine a situation, you're on a job site, you're grinding concrete, and all of a sudden your grinder falls out of your hand and it falls on the ground. Now this happens oftentimes on job sites and it can cause a hazard. And what SensTech feature does is that once you release your hand from the handle, the tool stops working, which helps to reduce the likelihood that such hazard will occur on your job site. Let's look at ATC and AVR. So AVR stands for anti-vibration reduction, which makes sure that the vibration that's emitted to the worker is as low as we can physically offer. What ATC feature does is that the moment such movement happens, the tool again stops from working in order to prevent further injuries that could happen to the worker. With our current tool bundles, it can work out cheaper in the long run to upgrade than repair. When your tool reaches end of life or you're just ready to upgrade to Nuron, get in touch with customer service or your nearest Hilti store who can help you make that decision. You'll even get 30% consumables voucher on whatever you spend on our bundles. And your old tool? Well, we'll strip out every working part and put them back into other tools. Nuron platform is about making your work simpler, more comfortable, and getting you to the finish line faster. If you're interested in learning more, please check out Hilti online or speak to our customer service, who's always happy to help or redirect you to the right person for your specific needs.